Hello guys, welcome to Global Online. Today we are breaking down must-know MCQ for CTET exam with quick and easy explanation. These questions can be a game changer for your success. So, are you ready to level up your preparation? Let's get started. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course, covering all the subjects with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs, and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. The number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the element helium is equal, and H is, we have options here, 1, option B 2, option C 8 and option D 16. Guys, the correct answer is option B 2 because helium has an atomic number of 2. It has 2 protons, 2 neutrons in its nucleus. Next question is baking soda means dash dash. We have options here, sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide and sodium bicarbonate. The correct answer is option D, sodium bicarbonate, because baking soda is chemically known as sodium carbonate, that is NaHCO3. It is commonly used in baking as a leavening agent and also has various household applications. So the correct answer will be option D. Next is germanium is an example of dash dash. We have options here, option A metal, option B metalloid, option C non-metal, option D none of these. The correct answer of this question is option B metalloid because germanium is classified as metalloid. It has characteristic of both metals and non-metals. It is a semiconductor conducting electricity better than non-metals but not as efficiently as metal. So the correct answer is option B metalloid. Next question is, in a chemical reaction, substances and atoms dash dash, we have options here, A are destroyed, B are transformed, C are not destroyed, option D become inert. Correct answer is option B are transformed because in a chemical reaction, substances undergo a transformation where the atoms are rearranged to form new compounds. The atoms themselves are not destroyed but are simply reorganized. So the correct answer will be B. Let's move to the next question. Which gas is present in the largest amount in the air? We have options here. Option A oxygen, option B ozone, option C nitrogen, option D hydrogen. The correct answer of this question is option C nitrogen because it makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, making it the most abundant gas in the air. It is followed by oxygen, which makes up about 21%. So the correct answer C. Let's move to the next question. The boiling point of water at sea level is dash dash. We have options here. Option A 0 degrees Celsius, option B 273 Kelvin, option C 373 Kelvin and option D 273 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option C 373 Kelvin because at sea level the boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin, which is equivalent to 100 degrees Celsius. This temperature is reached when water transitions from a liquid to a gas at a standard atmospheric pressure. So the correct answer is option C 373 Kelvin. Next question is, which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? We have options here. Option A milk, option B petrol, option C vegetable soup, option D muddy water. The correct answer will be petrol because a homogeneous mixture has uniform composition throughout. Petrol is a homogeneous mixture because all its components are evenly mixed, unlike milk or muddy water, which can separate into different layers or phases over time. So the correct answer is option B petrol. Next question is, which of the following substances is non-sublimable? We have option here, A camphor, B naphthalene, C iodine and D mercury. Guys, the correct answer will be option D mercury because sublimation is the process where a substance transitions directly from solid to gas without becoming liquid. Mercury does not undergo sublimation. It exists as a liquid at a room temperature and transition to gas upon heating. Camphor, naphthalene and iodine are all sublimable solid. That's why option D mercury is the correct answer here. Let's move to the next question. The speed of X-rays is equivalent to the speed of dash dash. We have options for this question. Option A alpha rays, option B light, option C sound and option D electrons. The correct answer will be option B light because X-ray travels at the speed of light in a vacuum which is approximately 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. This is because they are a form of electromagnetic radiation like visible light, while alpha rays, sound and electrons move at different speeds. That's why the correct answer is option B, light. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following metals melt below 30 degrees Celsius? Guys, we have an option for this question. Option A, copper, option B, aluminium, option C, gold and option D, cesium. The correct answer is going to be a cesium because cesium has a melting point of about 28.5 degrees Celsius, meaning it can melt at a temperature slightly below or around room temperature. Other metals like copper, aluminium and gold have significantly higher melting points, requiring much more heat to melt. That's why the correct answer is D, cesium. That's it for today, guys. We hope this MCQ and explanation boosted your preparation and cleared those tricky concepts. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exam focused content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Remember, every question you master takes you one step closer to CTET success. See you next time. Keep learning and stay motivated. Bye-bye.